Salam to everyone. I am Mahesh. Welcome back. Last week we discussed about fractions, the different type of fraction, what is fraction, the basic concept about the fraction. This week we will be learning about addition, subtraction, multiplication and the divisions of fractions. So before going to that, let me give a little bit about the like fraction and unlike fractions. What are like fractions and what are unlike fractions? The fractions with the same denominators are called as like fractions. The fractions with different denominators are called as unlike fractions. For example, 1/2 plus 3/2 plus 4/2 plus 7/2. So here we can see all the denominators are same. So these type of fraction in addition, multiplication, division and subtractions are very easy. Okay, so these are like fractions. What about unlike fractions? They are different. 1/2 plus 2/3 plus 4/5. You can see all the denominators are different. So this is the difference, that's all. So before going to addition and subtraction of the fractions, I will be teaching you about multiplications and divisions, because multiplications and divisions are very easy. When you come to normal addition subtraction, we feel that addition and subtractions are very easy and the multiplication divisions are a little bit difficult. But here it is not the case. Here it is very easy in multiplication and division. Most of the kids face this. So let's do the multiplication. Let's do the multiplication. So multiplication. That is, let's consider the fraction 2/3 into 4/5. In multiplications of fractions is very easy. You just have to multiply the top numbers called numerators and the bottom numbers called denominators. That ends up being 2 into 4 is 8, divided by 4 into 5 is 3 into 5 is 15. That's it. That is the reduced fraction for the multiplication. And let us take a few more examples. 4 divided by 3 into 3 divided by 7. So what will that? 4 into 3 is 12, 3 into 7 is 21. That's it. This is the multiplication. Multiplications are very easy because we just multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator of the other fractions. Whereas division is also easy. Division is also easy, but here we multiply the denominator of the other fraction into numerator of the fraction and denominator of the other fraction into numerator of the other fraction. I will just show you the example. 2/3 divided by 4/7. 4/7. So what we get is 2 into 7. We are multiplying crossly. So 7 into 2. That is the denominator into numerator of the other fraction. That is what we get is 2 into 7 is 14. 3 into 4 is 12. We can still reduce it like 2 6 are 2 7s are. So 7 by 6 is the reduced fraction. For multiplication and division, we don't have to distinguish between like terms or unlike terms. It is very easy. You just have to multiply the crisscross for the division and straight away to the multiplication. We don't worry about the like terms or the unlike terms. We don't know. But whereas for addition and subtraction, we have to have a category of like terms, whether the fractions are like terms or the fractions are unlike terms. So divisions are very easy, multiplications are very easy. We just crisscross it. So let us take another example. I will do the like terms. Okay, 1/2 divided by 1/2. these are like terms. What we have to do is 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 will get is 1. So we are dividing to 1. So let us take another example. 1 over 4 divided by 3 over 4. These are like terms. Still we are doing the division. So 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. That's it. So 4 ones are 4 threes are. So the answer is 1 over 3. So for the multiplications and the divisions is very easy. We don't have to worry about whether it is a like term or it is an unlike term. Now let us come to the addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction have a same technique. The only difference is the symbol. In addition we use plus symbol and the subtraction we use minus symbol. So now let us take the example. I will come to the like terms. Because like terms, addition and subtractions are easy. I am doing all the easy part this time. Because we have unlike terms of adding, subtraction are difficult. We have 2 to 3 techniques for this that we will be discussing further. So like terms, I will take 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4 because they are like terms, right? So what we do is, when in the like terms, it is just like a multiplication. It is just like a multiplication, but not the full. We just add the top numbers. Top numbers, we just add the top numbers. That is 1 plus 2 is 3. And we don't add the denominator. We don't add the denominator. We keep the 4. We keep, because both the denominators are same, so we keep the same number. That's it. For the like terms only. For addition, this is a simple technique. Let us go for another 3 over 7 plus 4 over 7. This is a like fraction. So what we do is 3 plus 4 divided by 7. That is 7 over 7. 1. So that's it. So maybe you may have doubt why like this one. I will just give an example. Why don't we do like a multiplication and how we did for the division? I will take an example, half. Half can be written as a fraction, 1 over 2 plus half. So what is we get? Half plus half is full. That is half plus half is 1. Right? Suppose if we follow the multiplication rule, that is 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 2 is sorry, we have to follow here. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So what we get is 2 ones are 2 twos are. Is the same? Half plus half is an again half? No. Half plus half is a full. Where we do the other step. So what we do? 1 plus 1 is 2 and we keep the denominator same. That is 2 ones are 2 ones. So answer is 1. Half plus half is 1. So from this technique we come to know the like terms addition. Adding of a like terms. Adding of a like terms. Now subtracting the unlike terms. Let us consider 2 by 3 minus 1 over 3. Here is the same, only difference is the minus symbol. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 divided by, we keep the denominator same. 2 minus 1 is 1 by 3. That's it. Let us go back. 7 divided by 8 minus 4 divided by 8. Here the denominators are same, it means it is a like terms. So what we do is 7 minus 4 divided by 8. So this becomes 3 by 8. So addition and subtraction of a like terms are very easy, and the multiplication, the divisions of any fractions are also easy. We will be discussing the addition and subtraction of unlike terms. There are 2 to 3 techniques how to add those numbers, how to subtract the fractions, unlike fractions in the further classes. I will be giving some worksheets or for some problems to be solved with the mixed fractions and all those things. Just you have to solve those fractions. Side.